What was तुमच्या भितर? There were some certain arguments.
I had no arguments with anybody.
Some one of the MLA also saying words against you and all, and then
Nobody
you
said any
replied.
words against me.
There was nothing like that. You clarified also on that after that.
He made certain allegations.
Allegations, yeah.
But and whatever I had said, whatever I had to say, I had said. Basically, you see, it is very easy to stand up and make allegations. I am not a fool. You may think I am a fool, but I am not a fool. I have taken all the necessary permissions. I have very, very categorically said on the floor of the House that as far as Carbona is concerned, he's referred to two of my properties. As far as Carbona is concerned, I have taken permission from, that work was undertaken by WRC, Water Resources Department. I have taken permission from the GCZLM, taken permission from the River Navigation Department. And it's very important to note that I was not an MLA. This was way back in the year 2021. So I was not an MLA, not a member of the parliament. He tried to project that I have cut mangrove. No. He stated that I had done land filling. No. He, in the year 2022, made a big hue and cry. He came to the property, came with his, as I said, shouting brigade, people who like to shout, knowing nothing. And they filed complaints all over. Inspections were conducted, outcome was zero. Again now, after Lok Sabha election, he came again with a team of people. They filed complaints all over. I don't know what is the outcome of the complaints. All I know is that inspections have been conducted. I have not bothered to check up on the report because I know that whatever has been done within scope of the permissions that we have. Number one. Number two, there was a second phase that was done. Yes, it was approved, if I am not mistaken, whilst I am an MLA. And what he has not told you, the most important thing, is that along the same line, he has given a letter of recommendation asking the WRD minister to undertake that particular work. He has also inaugurated the work. He has brought the village priest to bless the commencement of work. I'm not sure if a foundation stone was put, but definitely I've seen photos where there was a small prayer service. The vicar of the village was in attendance, and that part he has not told anybody. So if I have committed any illegality, I would like him to tell specify and say what is the illegality. It is very easy to stand up and just shout because you all are there. I heard him yesterday preaching to you all, telling you all a lot of things. I didn't even bother to interfere or interact. I thought it was my duty to stand up and clarify in the house since these allegations were done. Coming to my second property at Shikari. There again, way back, I think if I'm not mistaken, I think it was about 10 years ago. I was not an MLA. There was an order issued by the then district collector, Mr. Agarwal, who, let me correct myself. There was a Mr. Prasanna Kunde who filed a complaint stating that there was threat of landslide and danger to life, whatever. So the collector directed PWD, Mamlatar, and I don't remember the recommendation, directed them to conduct an inspection and check whether this complaint was genuine or not. Inspection was conducted. PWD confirmed that there was a threat. PWD thereafter, the Mamlatar also visited the site. He confirmed that there was a risk of a landslide. The collector directed PWD to undertake steps to ensure that there was no landslide or anything like that. PWD conducted a study. They drew up a plan to terrace the slope. And PWD said the collector directed them to undertake the work, to which they said we have no plans. Having said that, the collector then directed me to undertake the work, which I did. This order was issued to me under the Disaster Management Act. So I undertook the work, I finished the work. And there again he shouts to say that illegal hillcutting. I don't understand what is illegal if I have all the funds. Number one. Number two, it is sad to say that again, locals from the area thought that they would bring my work to a standstill. But with the permission that we had, nobody could stop the work. We finished the hillcutting. I'm used to all this type of noise, harassment. Unfortunately, I'm thick-skinned, and it is not going to affect me. I built a hotel in Kolba, and in the same video that was circulated when they went for inspection in June 2024, it was alleged that I built a hotel on sand dunes. I don't know if you all heard about this particular allegation. The sad part is, yes, a case was filed against me before the Honorable High Court, Goa bench. Nobody has said that I won that case. A case was filed against me, then after people appealed at the Supreme Court. That appeal was dismissed because these same people did not disclose to the Supreme Court that they had filed another case before the NGT court, Pune. So when the Supreme Court got to know that there was a case filed before the NGT, the Supreme Court dismissed that petition for hiding in these lies and directed that NGT may within 6 months dispose of the matter. I'm happy to tell you, I won the case in the NGT, but this has not been proved. But allegations are made that I built a hotel on sand dunes. So they'll keep coming with all these allegations. I will keep fighting them. It's all part of the game.
Okay.
Nothing personal, but why it is?
You ask him, I don't know. I heard him telling you there's nothing personal against me. I heard him telling you.
So then why this grudge?
Ask him. What are you asking me?
No, what do you feel so?
I don't.
Why say? Because yesterday
I
the way.
can only tell you all that I am not afraid. I have done whatever has been done within the rules, within the law. So I have nothing to hide.
Is this grudge because you are clean?
If they go, sometimes I say it is hazards of occupation by virtue of being an MLA. I have to bear the brunt. Fine, I will accept it. The case that was filed in Kolba, allegations in the petition were that I was MLA, that I was Minister of Environment, blah blah blah, and that is how I abused my position to get the permission. The High Court has upheld. The Supreme Court has. Will I expect them to proceed to the Supreme Court? I'll face them there.
Okay.
And last, let me tell you, I will fight these people if they go to any forum. I'm not going to sleep. I'm brave enough. I will take them on. Dahil mo sang re, ako sa payang porto, gainak mo no. Kung ano na ako na maga. Ang pila payang porto re. What is the breach of privilege? On the contrary, I have papers which will prove that he's misguiding this house.
It's still misguiding.
100%. What breach of privilege is talking about? Let him file the breach of privilege. I'm not afraid.
कसला राग पुढं?
Takashi sir, my problem na. This is right done actually. I've been in this rat from 1994.
Yeah. Sir, one more thing is that the Kukoli industrial issues are काढलेलं.
Right.
You have given some assurance. You will check the report will come and all.
We're waiting for the report from Neri. We have asked them to do a characterization. Once that report comes, we will decide what is the next step taken.
But shifting Pisulnemba hard chance
So it depends on the report.
report.
Let the report come.